105 steady, ah.
105 steady, sir.
Starboard 5.
Starboard 5. Roger, starboard 5 left, sir.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 10. Roger, starboard 10 now, sir.
Starboard 20.
Starboard 20. Roger, starboard 20 now, sir.
Very good. R starboard.
R starboard. Roger, R starboard now, sir.
Starboard 20.
Starboard 20. Roger, starboard 20 now, sir.
Midship.
Midship.
Steady.
Steady.
Saan ka kabig? Course.
Course 111 now, sir.
Okay, good. Make it 112.
112.
Course.
Course 112 now, sir.
Very good. Midship wheel.
Midship.
Okay. Change from autopilot, from manual to autopilot.
Changing manual to autopilot.
Okay.
Change helmsman on the wheel. Heading 112. Magnetic 113.
Okay, very good. Sige. Yung man on the wheel.
Yung man on the wheel, sir.
Karoon ka ng arrow.
Yes, sir.
Doon ka pupunta sa...
Yes, sir.
Heading is 112 degrees, sir.
Okay. From autopilot to manual, please change steering.
Changing steering system, autopilot to manual, sir. Steering now is manual, sir.
What is your course now?
Course is 112 degrees, sir.
Heading. What is your heading now?
112, sir.
Okay, very good. Starboard 10.
Starboard 10. Roger, starboard 10 now, sir.
Okay. Midship.
Midship. Roger, midship, sir.
Port 10.
Port 10. Roger, port 10 now, sir.
Port 20.
Port 20. Roger, port 20 now, sir.
Medyo masikip pa. Port 10.
Port 10. Roger, port 10 now, sir.
Okay. Midship.
Midship. Roger, midship, sir.
Steady.
Steady.
Course.
Course is at 104 degrees, sir.
104. Okay. Make it 102. Steady. 102 steady.
102 steady. Rudder 102 now, sir.
Walang rudder.
Ay, course pala. Course, sir.
Meron bang rudder 102?
Okay, sir.
Hanggang 35 lang tayo eh.
Okay, sir.
Na-excited ka na naman. Rudder. Magalitan tayo sa vlog ko. Course!
Course 102, sir.
Make it 102 ha?
Yes, sir.
Punta ka na dyan sa 101. Hindi mo na nabantayan. Patay mo. Patay mo, amigo.
Patayin daw.
Patay mo. Para, yan. Make it 102 ha?
102, sir.
Steady 102 ha?
Steady 102. Course 102 now, sir.
Okay, steady ha?
Steady 102.
Port 5,
Port 5.
Port 10,
Port 10. Rudder port 10 now, sir.
Port 15.
Port 15. Rudder port 15 now, sir.
Okay, very good. Midship,
Midship. Rudder midship, sir.
starboard 5,
Starboard 5.
starboard 10.
Starboard 10. Rudder starboard 10 now, sir.
Nakita mo yung dalawang palo na yan, Tim?
Yes, sir.
Sige, dalhin mo doon yung head.
Yes, sir.
Diskartehan mo.
Yes, sir.
Dalhin mo. Course?
Course 105 degrees, sir.
Okay, very good.
Heading at the target, sir.
Steady 106 ha?
Steady 106.
Okay, sige. Change man on the wheel tayo ha? Put manual to autopilot. Midship wheel.
System manual to autopilot.
Okay.
Autopilot is
Okay, change man on the wheel. Ha?
change man on the wheel.
Heading.
Heading 105. Magnetic course 106.
Okay.
Sir.
Sige, new man on the wheel. Next.
New man on the wheel, sir.
Okay. New man on the wheel. What is your heading?
Heading, sir, 105, sir.
Okay. Please, self-man, change from autopilot to manual steering.
Steering, sir, autopilot to manual.
So, report what is the heading
Heading,
now?
sir, 105, sir.
105. Magnetic.
06, sir. 106.
106. Okay. Starboard 10.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 20.
Starboard 20. Starboard 20 now, sir.
Hard starboard.
Hard starboard, sir. Rudder hard starboard, sir.
Okay. Easy to 20.
East to 20, sir. Starboard 20, sir.
Midship.
Midship. Rudder midship now, sir.
Okay. Course.
Course, sir. 109, sir.
Steady.
Please steady, sir.
Course.
1-1, sir.
Ha?
1-1, sir.
111 steady. Okay.
Okay, sir. 1-1, sir.
111 steady.
1-1, steady, sir.
Port 5.
4-5, sir.
Port 10.
4-10, sir. Rudder 4-10 now, sir.
Port 20.
4-20.
Hard port.
Hard port, sir. Rudder hard port now, sir.
Port 20.
420. Rudder port now, sir. 27.
Port 10.
410. Rudder 410 now, sir.
Okay. Course.
Course, sir. 108.
108. Make it 105 steady.
105 steady, sir.
Pag sinabing steady, hindi na gumagalaw, ha? Tignan mo yung prowa mo, gumagalaw pa. Nasa 104 ka na. Pag sinabing steady, hindi na gumagalaw, ha? Kaya nga steady. Oh, what now? Anong heading mo? Ah, 103 ka na.
103, sir.
Make it 105 steady. Kung titingin kayo sa palo, mas madadalihan kayo. Ha? Kasi yung palo nyo yung reference para makita nyo kung huminto na kayo o hindi pa. Kita nyo ba yun? Yan. Yung pagtingin nyo sa gyro, ano lang yun? Diyan kayo titingin palagi sa proa. Yung pagtingin nyo sa gyro, ano lang? Papyaw lang kasi makikita mo kung ikaw ay napapadpad sa pabor or sa estribor, doon pa lang sa palo mo. Tama? Okay, steady 105, ha? May swing ka pa ulit sa estribor. Hindi mo, malakas pa yung swing mo. Nothing to starboard, ha? Nothing to starboard.
Nothing to starboard, sir.
Make it 105, steady. Go with 105 steady. 105.
105, sir.
Nothing to port.
Rudder 105, sir.
Nothing to port and nothing to starboard, ha?
Midship, sir.
Midship, no. Sabi ko, nothing to port, nothing to starboard. Sino ba yung nagsasabi dyan?
Sorry, sir. Nakakinig ako.
Pag sinabing nothing to port, nothing to starboard, you can use the wind as long as you go with your course, ha? Hindi yung midship kayo. Eh kung napadpad kayo, alam nyo ba yan? Sino nagsabi ng midship lang? Pag sinabing nothing to port, nothing to starboard, you can use your wind, but as long as you have to maintain your course.
Yes, sir.
Paano mo papabinship yan kung paano papasteady yan kung babayaan mo yung wheel mo? Alam niyo yun. You make the head steady using your wheel. Kaya hindi ka pwedeng pumunta dyan, pwede mong gawin yan. But make it sure you have to maintain your course. Hindi mo pababayaan ang wheel. Kakabig yan. Bakit? Let's say yung ating rudder is right-handed. Saan the head will come to where? To port. Oh, kung pinabayaan mo, di babanggay natin yan. Hindi, kahit na yan. Kasi Right-handed ka eh. That's why, pag sinabing nothing to port, nothing to starboard, maintain the course using your helm. Maliwanag.
Sige, sir.
O nga, pinabayaan mo yan, hindi isasama ngayon, mababangga natin.
105, sir.
Yan, that's why. You can make steady course using your helm. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Hindi mo pwedeng in midship lang yung helm mo. Ay, paglagpas natin, yan. Kasi nga, para yung apigi tayo, pabor estribor, tignan mo. Okay? Starboard 5.
Starboard 5, sir.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 10, sir. Rudder, starboard 10, sir.
Kasi pag bank natin dyan, libre na tayo dito. Iwas tayong konti. Midship.
Midship, sir. Rudder now, midship, sir.
Okay, very good. Steady 106.
Steady 106, sir.
106 ha? Sige. Once the steady course, change man on the wheel tayo ha? Okay, helmsman. Okay, put and transfer change to autopilot. Sige.
Steering, sir.
Midship wheel ha?
To auto, sir.
Okay, sige, go. Okay.
Heading, sir, 106. Gyro, sir.
Gyro is 106. Magnetic is
Magnetic, sir, is
106, 107.
107.
Okay, sige. Okay, change man on the wheel ha? Next.
Change man on the way.
Papagalitan talaga kasi tayo mong pagkagaya. Ha? Kasi hawak nyo, $1,000,000 na yan na kargamento. Tapos, sige. Man on the wheel, ha? New man on the wheel.
Human on the wheel, sir.
Okay, what is your heading? Gyro and magnetic.
Heading 106.6 degrees, sir. Magnetic 106, sir.
Okay, very good. Sige. Put and change steering to manual.
Changing to manual, sir. Manual now, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, port 10.
410. Rudder 410 now, sir.
Okay. Port 20.
420. Rudder 420 now, sir.
Very good. Hard port.
Hard port. Rudder hard port now, sir.
Very good. Midship.
Midship. Rudder midship now, sir.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 10.
Papasok na tayo sa puerto.
Starboard 10 now, sir.
Okay, very good. Starboard 20.
Starboard 20. Starboard 20 now, sir.
Very good. Hard starboard.
Hard starboard. Hard starboard now, sir.
Okay. Starboard 20.
Starboard 20. Starboard 20. Rudder starboard 20 now, sir.
Very good. Starboard 10.
Starboard 10. Rudder starboard 10 now, sir.
Okay. Midship.
Midship.
Nakita mo yung swing mo ha. Tignan mo yung head mo.
Midship now, sir.
Malakas ang swing. Okay, steady. Counteract the swing. Yan, very good. Lagyan nyo pagka ganon, lakihan nyo na yung bawi. Takbo kita nyo yung head, huminto. Midship. Yun ang, para huwag kayo magtitipid pag nagpa-steady kasi ang puntos doon, ma-steady nyo yung head. Kaya mas mainam na pumunta kayo at tumingin kayo dyan kasi huminto na yan, dito tumatakbo pa. Ha? Okay, what is your course now?
Course 108, sir.
Very good, steady ha, mid-channel na tayo.
Steady, sir.
Kaya kung magtitimong kayo, combinations, yung head na yan, at saka yung manibela ninyo. Ito, secondary. Kasi pag huminto na yan, dyan na kayo titingin. No? Baga sa kotse, saan kayo nakatingin? Di ba doon? Dito ba kayo nakatingin? Nagmamaneho kayo. Nakita nyo yung head eh. Di ba? Kung nasaan. Papasok na tayo sa gitna. Ilan na lang yung nagtimon? Dalawa na lang kayo? Dalawa na lang? Sino magpapadikit ng barko? Ikaw? Ay, pupunta tayo dito eh.
Trustan ko eh. Kaya trustan. Magamit na tayo ng trustan eh.
Mamaya, gagamit na tayo ng makina. Okay, so very good. So, okay naman. What is your heading now?
Heading 107 now, sir.
107. Make it 109.
09, sir.
Sa tunay na barko, yung narinig nyo, yun na yun. Ha? Yung narinig nyo, yun na yun. Course?
Course 108 now, sir.
Okay, midship wheel. Port 10,
Reported.
port 20,
420. Rudder 420 now, sir.
okay, hard port,
Hardport. Hardport now, sir.
okay. Midship,
Midship. Midship now, sir.
okay. 108 steady,
108 steady. Zero eight now, sir.
108 steady, ha? Tapos mag-swing ka pa sa port side. Kagabi ang kargaan mo sa starboard. Tignan mo, 10, ano ka na. 108 steady, ha? Okay, sige, change man on the wheel. Midship wheel. Midship wheel, midship.
Midship.
Okay, midship wheel. Make it 107 steady, ha? Okay, change man on the wheel, ha? So, change manual to autopilot.
Changing manual to autopilot.
Sige.
Autopilot now, sir.
Okay.
Course 107.
Okay.
Degree, sir.
Okay, course 107 by gyro, 107 by magnetic. Okay, new man on the wheel. Come on.
New man on the wheel, sir.
Okay. Helmsman, change from autopilot to manual.
Change autopilot to manual. Change to manual, sir.
Okay, manual steering now, sir.
Manual steering now, sir.
Okay, port 10,
410,
port 20,
420, 420, rudder now, sir.
hard port,
Hard port, sir. Hard port, rudder now, sir.
very good. East to 20,
East to 20. Rudder 20, 420, rudder now, sir.
okay. Port 10,
410,
Okay. Midship.
Midship. Midship, rudder now, sir.
Steady 100.
Steady 100.
Pagka ganun, sabi ko sa inyo, kabigay nyo na kagad ng malaki. Ha? Para mamatay yung swing. Huwag kayo magtipid. Ha? Kasi mapapadpad kayo doon. Tinan mo, 1098 na. No? Pagka ganun, karga kagad ng mas malaki. Para makita nyo yung head huminto. 100.
100, sir.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 20.
Starboard 20, sir. Starboard 20, rudder now, sir.
Midship.
Midship.
Make it 100 steady.
100, steady.
Bawi na. Huwag ka nang bumabad dyan sa estribor kasi mapapadpad ka na naman sa estribor niyan eh. O 100 na. Paano?
100.
Yep.
100, sir.
Kargaan mo sa pabor. Tingnan mo, 101 ka na naman. Kinakabahan ka na naman eh. Ha? Oo. Gagamit tayo mamaya ng ano dyan. Course?
Course 101, sir.
Okay, very good. Diliko na tayo ha.
Course 100, steady, sir.
Okay. Starboard 5.
Starboard 5, sir. Starboard 5, rudder now, sir.
As long as nasa channel tayo, yung kabila niyan, maaaring posibleng mababaw kaysa dito sa gitna. That's why we call that lateral marks, no? Yan, that is the lateral marks. So, red to port, green to starboard. Anong region tayo? Okay, very good. Starboard 10.
Starboard 10, sir. Starboard 10, rudder now, sir.
Very good. Starboard 20.
Starboard 20, sir. Starboard 20, rudder now, sir.
Very good. Up eh. Narinig yung makina. Ayos no? Ay, parang totoo no? Ha? Ayos no? Starboard 20.
Starboard 20.
Oh, sabihin mo starboard 20 rin. Starboard 20. Ba't ganun ha? Pagka naka-starboard 20, sabihin mo sir, starboard 20 na ako sir. R starboard.
R starboard, sir. R starboard, rudder now, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, full ahead.
Full ahead. Full ahead, sir.
Easy to 20.
East 20, sir. Starboard 20, rudder now, sir.
Okay, easy to 10.
East to 10, sir. Starboard 10, rudder now, sir.
Very good. Passing course, how much?
Passing course, sir. 118.
Okay, 118. Make it 125 steady.
125, steady, sir.
Up ahead.
Up ahead, sir.
125 steady, ha? 410.
410, sir.
420.
420, sir.
Hard port.
Hard port, sir. Hard port. Rudder now, sir.
Okay. Kung hindi kita tinulungan, pupunta ka pa dun sa 127. Midship.
Midship, sir.
Steady 126, ha?
Midship. Rudder now, sir.
Okay.
Steady.
126. Okay, very good, ha? Sige. Change man on the wheel tayo, ha?
Change man on the wheel.
Okay, put manual to autopilot. Didikit na tayo.
Change manual to autopilot.
Okay, sige. Okay, change man on the
Autopilot
wheel.
setting, sir.
Okay, change man on the wheel.
Man on the wheel, sir.
Very good. So, again, Hamsman, put autopilot to manual.
Changing autopilot to manual, sir.
Okay. Manual steering mode, ha?
Heading, sir, 125, sir.
Okay, starboard 10.
Starboard 10. Starboard now, sir, 10.
Starboard 10 now, sir.
Starboard 10 now, sir.
Okay, starboard 20.
Starboard 20.
Tatawag na tayo sa...
Starboard 20 now, sir.
Okay, very good. Bosom, please come. Napapasok na. Boss, tugboat sa port side. Sa proa. Course?
127, sir.
Okay, midship wheel. Midship wheel. Midship wheel.
Midship, sir. Midship, sir.
Wheel midship. Port 10.
Port 10.
Ikaw ang magdidikit, ha?
Port 10, sir.
Okay, port 20.
Port 20. Port 20, sir.
Okay, very good. Rather port 20, sir. Midship?
Midship. Midship, sir.
Rather midship, sir. Sabi mo, rather midship, sir.
Rather midship, sir.
Okay, what is your course now?
130, sir.
Okay, make it 131 steady.
131 steady.
Maintain 131 steady, ha?
One steady, sir.
Okay, good. Slow ahead.
Go ahead.
Hindi ikaw kasama doon. Diyan ka lang nakakonsentrate. Let me know if there is no steering, okay? Di ba meron tayo doon no steering? Doon sa ano natin? Sa lecture natin. So, let me know mamaya kung wala nang steering. Okay? Let's go ahead. Speed natin ilan? 9 knots, okay. Stop engine. Monitor the speed, ha? Course?
132, sir.
Okay, ha? So, steady 132, ha?
Steady 132, sir.
Speed reducing, ha? Speed is about 9.2, 9.1, speed over ground.
Speed 9 knots, sir.
Sige lang, timon ka lang. Ang ano mo ay magtimon. Hindi ka sasali dun sa kung ano-ano. No? Basta, magtimon ka lang. Diyan ka lang. Steady mo lang yan, ha? Speed is about 8.8 knots, ha? 410.
410.
410.
410, sir.
Very good. 420.
420.
Para ma-slow down natin yung speed.
420 now, sir.
Hard port.
Hard port. Hard port now, sir.
Okay. Midship.
Midship.
Bawasan natin yung speed. Using zigzag technique. No?
Midship now, sir.
Okay, good. Starboard 10.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 20.
Starboard 20.
Hard starboard.
Hard starboard. Hard starboard now, sir.
Very good. Midship.
Midship. Midship now, sir.
Very good. Speed now 8.1 knots. Kaya hanggang dito lang to sa may dalawang boya. O, papasok pa ba yan? May papasok pa yan? Hindi, ito susundin lang namin tong ano. Nasa chart. Sige. Speeds 7.7 knots, ha? Starboard 10.
Starboard 10. Starboard 10 now, sir.
Starboard 20.
Starboard 20.
Ayan na.
Starboard 20 now, sir.
Sabihin mo sa mga bossod, sabihin mo sa mga uwi. Ready na sila. Dahil parating na yung ahente. Ayan. Kakalabas na tayo.
Ready mo na mga dolyares.
Ha?
May sasampa na, sir.
Makakalabas na tayo.
Nasampa na mga pirata.
No?
Surely na, surely.
Midship?
Midship.
May steering pa ba?
Midship now, sir.
Meron pa yan kasi meron pa tayong salida eh. Hard starboard.
Hard starboard. Hard starboard now, sir.
Okay, tingnan natin kung kaya pa. So, pagka umakyat pa sa 131.5 pataas, ibig sabihin, may steering pa. Nakita mo? Meron pa, no? Ayan o, 131.6, no? O, 131.7, di ba? So, may steering pa, ha? Midship?
Midship.
Kasi may salida
Midship
pa tayo,
number.
7 knots, no? And bow thruster will be, will be used only for about 4 to 5 knots going down. Kaya, no? Okay, steady ha, 132 ha.
Steady, 132, sir.
May salida pa eh. Yan, medyo hard na yung banat mo dyan kasi wala kang makina eh. Para mapa-steady mo siya ng 132 to steady, you can use hard port, hard starboard.
Para mas madali
Kasi wala ka ng makina eh. Hindi ka na makaka-move ng mahigi. Wala nang makina. Pero may salida ka pa yan, no? 6.7 knots pa eh. Meron pa yan. Kaso nga lang, mabagal lang yung swing. May mga kuryente pa dyan. So, speed 6.6 knots.
Sir, may kuryente yun.
Aras ba? Wala lang. 132.8, 0.1 lang. 132.9, parehas nga lang. Yung ano, wala siyang kuryente na in-apply. Okay, very good. Pasok na tayo. Malapit na tayo makauwi. No? Boson, may ano, may abiso dito, yung mga crew, pa-ready mo na yung bagahe. Okay, very good. Yan. Papasok na tayo. Harry starboard.
Hard starboard. Hard starboard na, sir.
Okay, speed 6.2 knots, ha? May steering pa ba? Oh. Meron pa? Meron pa. Konti. Konti lang. Boss, tugboat ha sa port boat saka up sa port quarter. Kick tayo. Let's go ahead. Kick tayo. Hard starboard. Kick lang. Stop engine. Ayos. So yun. Very good. Nandiyan ang breakwater.